Hey guys, what's up? This is Mobile Crazy and today I'm gonna unbox iWatch GSM Bluetooth watch. So this is the box it came with. It's a iWatch and it's phone on its own. It's like the Samsung Galaxy S, Galaxy Gear S, yeah. And it's a touchscreen, chat, message, call. I'm not sure what that is. Clock, pedometer, music player, radio and camera. Okay, it have some instructions and let's read what says at the back. Hopefully you can focus in. There you go. It's Bluetooth 3.0, IPS, display type IPS, 16M colors. It's not high resolution as you can see. Screen size is 1.55 inch, touch panel. Memory is megabytes. Standard time 60 to 100 hours in a single charge, and talk time 1.5 to 6 hours. Language multi-language. Basic feature: call phone, Bluetooth dialer, Bluetooth headsets, music player, camera, alarm clock, watch, pedometer, vibration alert, etc. Color black, blue, white, and this is the black version I bought. As you may not know, I'm not a big fan of smartwatches, so that's the reason I want to try a simple one first. As far as I know, this doesn't come with the app store anyway. So that's the watch itself. Let's keep it on the side. Then if you take this out, take that out, you get the micro USB charger, micro USB headphones, and manual. Okay, let's put this all outside. Put the headphones and chargers on. Let's take the phone out. So that's the phone. It's with like a, I don't know how to explain this. I believe this is like a plastic. Oh, who cares? Anyway, this is the back of the watch. I believe this should be removable. Yes, it is removable one. There you go, and it's a tiny battery. How do I remove the battery? Yeah, there's a gap. That's the battery. If I remove the battery, that's the SIM card. It said I can lock. What? How do I open it? Okay, I have no idea. Okay, yeah, there you go. So if you push this down and open it, then you can insert your SIM card and then put the battery back in. It's a tiny battery actually. And put that in, close it. Is that how you close it? No, you close it like this. Oops. It's not closing it properly. Ah, it's a pain. Yay, it's done. Okay, and that's the camera, and there's the on and off button I believe, and that's the micro USB charge, and that's the microphone right here. Okay, I'm just gonna turn on. There we go. And that's the speaker, by the way, I forgot to mention. There, that's the speaker. And press the screen for options. Long press, main press to switch main menu and clock. Swipe preview menu. Slide screen to browse options no longer displayed. Okay, there you go. That's the phone interface. Come on, focus. Oops. As you can see. Come on. Why is it not focusing? Anyway, sorry about this quality. First, we start with call, messaging, phone book, whole history, then image view, FM radio, audio player, camera, alarm, stopwatch, setting, Bluetooth, notice, I believe that's a notification, anti-lost, pedometer, personal, car thief, find phone, remote capture, sleep monitor. Okay, that's all you get with this. And yeah, let's go to setting and see what's in there. This touchscreen is even not actually that bad. Okay, so in setting you have profile. Okay, profile, phone setting. So if you swipe to the right, it's go back for previous, like this. And let's test the speaker. Oh, I need to connect the phone to it. Since I'm recording with my phone, I can't connect to it. I'm sorry. That's about it, guys. So this is the first impression and unboxing of this watch called iWatch. Thank you for watching, and see you with another video. They have exact Samsung noise when it's shutting down. Anyway guys, see you with another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. If you do have any question about this watch, please do ask. I will try my best to reply to you. Okay, thank you for watching and see you with another video.